Hello. Today we're going to be talking about prefixes. Fortunately, we've done a lot of work with prefixes, so we're pretty good at them. Basically, a prefix is a small group of letters at the beginning of a word. That's the key right there. It's at the beginning of the word that changes the meaning of a word. For example, read. R-E, is the prefix. Read is the root word, and the new word is reread. We know what read means. You know what read means. What does reread mean? It means to read it again. Do you see how that RE changed the meaning of reading from read to read again? The prefix is again. It means to read again. If means again, what do each of these words mean? What does rewrite mean? Did you say to write again? You're right. What does redo mean? Did you say to do it again? Yep. And what about replay? Means to play it again. So that prefix means to do it again. Here's the prefix pre. What does view mean? To look at something. I'm going to view out the window. I'm going to view a movie. It means to look at. What does preview mean? To check something out or see it before something else. So how did it change it? It added that word before. So if pre means before, what does preheat mean? You're right. I'm going to heat something before I do something else. So usually you preheat or heat the oven before you put the cookies in to bake. Pre-test. Yeah, that means to take a test before you learn the unit or before you do something else. And preschool means to go to something before you go to regular school, before you go to kindergarten. So preschool is the learning that takes place before school. Here we have the prefix dis, D-I-S. It means not. So when it's put with another word, like in this example, not agree, the word means to not agree with something. So if that's the case, what does disorganized mean? Did you say not organized? Very good. If the word is disappear, what does that mean? Not appear, not being able to be seen. Good job. And what about dislike? It completely changes like, which means you want something or desire it, and then to dislike something you do not like. And the prefix un, when added to a word, it also means not. So not tied or untied means not tied. If that's the case, what does unhappy mean? Did you say not happy? Excellent. What about unlock? Did you say to not have it locked anymore? To not lock it. Very good. What about unbelievable? Does that mean to not be believable anymore? You got it. So, if we can use prefixes and root words to make a word for each of these definitions, which word would you use to mean right before? To write something before? Did you guess it? Would you say pre-write? Good job. What about not real? Unreal. That's right. What about look again? Can you come up with a word that means to look again? Very good. Relook. What about opposite of respect? Opposite of respect or not showing respect. That's right. Disrespect. Good job, everyone. This week's activities will all be on Seesaw.